Skyfold Zenith is a custom-manufactured, fully automatic, flat, rigid, retractable wall system that provides vertically folding space division with excellent acoustic properties. Skyfold Zenith stores in the ceiling. No floor or wall tracks are required, and there are no side storage pockets, saving valuable floor space. The Zenith path of travel is as thin as the wall itself, permitting furnishings to be positioned in very close proximity to the wall. Repositioning furnishings between functions is not required. Silent and completely automatic, you can reconfigure your space in minutes with a simple keypad operation. No manual labor is necessary. What used to take hours can now be achieved in minutes. There are 5 products offered in the Skyfold Zenith series. When you select Zenith 48, you will benefit from the most economical option within our line of products, which still provides for excellent acoustic properties with a system-tested STC of 48. You may opt for one of our premium models, Zenith 51, Zenith 55, or the Zenith 60, which boosts the acoustic performance of the wall to a remarkable system STC of 51, 55, and an unprecedented industry-high system STC of 60, respectively. And don't be fooled with panel STC versus system STC. Zenith 48, Zenith 51 and 55, and Zenith 60 test an impressive STC of 57, 61, and 66 respectively when it comes to panel testing. Skyfold publishes both the system test results as well as panel test results in order to ensure accurate comparison with other products on the market. If you need to have sound absorbed in any given room, you might elect to go with the Zenith NRC, which delivers a noise reduction coefficient of up to 0.65 and still has an STC of 50. The Zenith NRC is available in acoustically transparent fabric, while Zenith 48 is available in our standard fabric, vinyl, and white marker board finish. Zenith 51, 55, and 60 are also available in a wide variety of finishes, just like the Classic series. With no visible hinges or hardware, they are sure to meet all your aesthetic design needs. In addition, the systems are lightweight and exert a static load which will result in savings in structural steel. Zenith can be scaled to fit up to 48 foot lengths, with ceiling heights up to 12 feet. Boardrooms, offices, classrooms, and cafeterias are just a few examples of spaces that can benefit from the Zenith line of products. Skyfold offers yet another solution to vertically folding retractable wall systems without compromising acoustics.